Morning friends, this is Vibhuri Venugopal from Banaras University. Welcome to the series Let us learn LaTeX. Today we will discuss how to create a big project, that is a book, several chapters, how to modify various things, etc. We have learned how to type a document, how to create tables, how to insert figures, and etc. etc. Now we will learn how to create a big document, a report or a book like this. So let us start a new document. Okay. Here, instead of our regular article, I am using book class. Rather, first I will show you with report class. Okay. So document class, here is report. Okay. Then we are putting our other details like 12 point, okay, A4 paper like this, and other things. The next thing is begin document and end document. As you know, if you want a title, put a title here. Title, this is my report created in LaTeX. Okay, and author, put it G. Venugopal like this, and you don't need date, so leave the date plain. So to create the title, you write make title. Now the preamble, whatever packages you want to use, you put all these packages. Okay, suppose I use a package, graphics is needed, to write graphics. So we are many mathematical symbols etc. will be used. Use package AMS math AMS symbol. Okay, AMS theorem like this, AMS text. All the things you can write in a single line also. Then we will also use PI font. Okay, we put the PI font also. Like this, whatever packages you want to use, you create all these, you put all these packages here. Then we'll put a comment here. The packages used are put here. Then here we will put all our macros. Here are all my macros. Okay. Suppose the document everywhere I want to write Banaras University. So what I will say, new command and is BHU, and here I will write Banaras Hindu University. Okay. So whenever I type backslash BHU, it will be expanded to Banaras Hindu University. Suppose I want to put this Banaras Hindu University always in text BF boldface. I will just put it text BF and like this. Okay. Now save this file. Okay. Save as. Create a, okay, on the desktop. I am creating a folder with the name my thesis. Okay, my thesis, yeah, my book, like this. And the name of this document is, okay, my book, and save it. Okay. The next thing is, whatever you want to put, you can create in a separate text file. So I am creating a new text file, and in this text file I am writing, suppose I am writing acknowledgements. Okay. So because I am using because I am using report, chapter is available. Like this, part is also available. These are available only in book and report. Okay. So I am saving it as save as in the same directory. I am saving with the name 01 ACK Acno. Okay. Save it. Now I can write whatever acknowledgements I want to write here only. I am like this. We print all these things. Then simply by writing, we can write. Suppose you want to put a date here. Put date. Okay. May HP Divide Gopal. Now I will call this in mybook.text. After begin document and make title, write it here. Okay. Include 01 dash. Okay. Now you compile the document. So the acknowledgement is like this. Okay. Because I have put after chapter a small star, you must have seen, and we have discussed this in the second or third lecture. It is a starred version which won't give any chapter number, etc. Okay, this is it. But the only drawback is this acknowledgement will not come in the list of that is table of contents. Now I can start my second chapter. Okay, file, new file, and chapter. Wipro. Like this, you can put all whatever you want. Okay, then write it like this. Okay, then if you want subsection, yeah, then another section. So this is submenu. Like this, we will do all these things. My advice is, because I know all these things, I am doing it very quickly. But what I suggest is always, okay, first create the file and save it. Now it is 02 introduction. Okay, intro, and put this in the main one, like include 02. Now when we compile it, the second chapter 1 is also here, like this. Now third chapter, okay, file view. So this is a chapter. The title is okay. So what I will do, immediately I will save it. Okay, 03 material, and I will also put this in the my book one. Open the my book, and here do include 03. Okay, material, and come to material, and there is no need to go to this my book whenever you compile the document. Okay, you just simply here also you take it, and you will see the results here. There is no need to go to this main text file, because this thing the text studio will take care of. Okay, so you write like this section. Okay, like this you will type it. Okay, then section chemicals, like this, whatever you want to type, and create sections, subsections, everything. And after every one or two paragraphs, you just compile the methods. It will automatically run like this. One thing I advise is you can give a command here like include only. Okay, then you can say 03 materials. So all your equations, numbers, etc., everything will be properly numbered, but only section 3 will be compiled. All other pages will disappear from here. If you don't want this make title also, put a percentage mark here and do everything like this. Okay. Now chapter 2 only compiles. Suppose you want to compile the entire document, just put a percentage symbol here and your entire document will be prepared like this. So for bibliography, we can include here itself. Okay, bibliography. So you select the bib file, whatever it is. Okay, then write bibliography style, and for the present take the plain one. Okay, suppose we have already created some bibliography material in our previous one. So to use that, what we will do? Open in tech class. Okay, biblio. So take see the path. You have to write all the path, or you just copy this one. Can I copy from here and put to this here? Yeah. Okay. So I can put biblio here. Okay. So to select all the one, okay, what do you write? Go site and star. When I compile everything, okay, we will see the other one. Okay, go to the next test. Oh, sorry, it's not the biblio, it is a file. Yeah, data one. Copy, Control C. Okay, come to my book and paste it here. Data one. Now take this data one here. Bibliography. Data one. Compile this. Our bibliography is here. So now we can quote in these things whatever we want to cite it. Cite, okay, Nath, enter it, is there. Then again cite Sanyal. Like this, you can quote all these things and compile it. In your chapter, the citations are there like this. Okay. Or if you want to see the labels of this also, then use the package. What is the package name? Use package show keys. Now you can see the keys also here because this is the third chapter. Go to this, find it will be here. The things are here. Then if you go to the next page, you will see the bibliography. Like this, you can add all the material in your book, and I will show how to include figures and all these things also. Now you do one thing, create another one. Okay, here I say results. Okay, save this as save as 04 results, and here chapter. Okay, results, chapter results. Suppose if you want to include some figure here, you can include the figures also. Like use this wizards. Okay, insert a graphic. Okay, file. So I am having figures in my this LaTeX lectures. I think I can include any figure from here. Like I am including my photo itself. Okay, so width everything is given here. If you want any caption, okay, you can give the caption. This is a caption. So it is a float. Okay, you can create like this, or you can create your tables etc. also by using wizard. Okay, with tabular and number of columns, number of rows, you can say, and whether you want a centered one. Suppose you click here, you want a left aligned one, say left. If you want a paragraph one, okay, right, like this, and like this you can type it. Now you type the your table. Okay, or you can type here very inferior better, like this. Then come to the next one, something here like this. Okay, you can merge columns, everything you can do it. Then come to the second one, something, 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 like this, something. So we have given only 4 rows. See, only 4 rows are typed. We say okay. So our tabular is here. Now to compile this, why it is not come? Graphics we have already used. Nothing has come. Results. have not included here. That is the main problem. Okay. Now you include here, include 04 results. Okay. Now you come it will come here. Okay. Because I have given the thing is like this. Okay. Results. The table is here. Suppose you want to convert it into a begin table and table. You can just add begin table. Okay. And this for this to the table. Now you can after begin table caption like this. Now you can give label also. Label tab 1 and for this is already there. Now we can say ah okay. So that okay like this you can do it and compile this like this will go. Now here you may say the table is not centered. What we have to do? We have to put a centering here. Okay. Now the entire table will center like this. Like this, you complete your work, and in the final stages, what we will do is before either make title you keep it or here you will put table of contents. Okay, then we'll put another list of figures. Okay, then list of tables. Now compile the document. See, you have everything here. Your is here, title of table of this one. Then your contents is here. Then your list of figures is here. Then your list of tables is here. See, everything is in a separate page because it was written in such a manner that it will come on every chapter will start in a new page. So these are also treated as chapters. That is why they are coming like this. Okay. Then bibliography like this. And suppose you want to, you don't want this you don't want to use these fonts. Now how to change these fonts? To change these fonts, we have packages. Okay, use package. If I put simply a bookman, what happens? The entire thesis will change into the bookman font. See, everything is changed to bookman font. Or you can use times. If you use times, all three are changed. That is, your main this will come in times, and your sans serif font will be used Helvetica. Suppose if I say text SF somewhere my material, okay, materials, going to materials, okay, this is some letter type using Helvetica font. When I compile this, okay, come to see this is the Helvetica font, okay. Or suppose you want to use some other font for writing your acknowledgements, okay. So I am opening the acknowledgements, opening. Now to change this font, what I do is I start with a curly braces and use here as font family. The family name is PZC, Job Sanctuary. If you want to use the Job Sanctuary font family, then font size, okay, I will use 12 size with a 16 leading SIZE. Right, select font. Viola, your acknowledgement is will be now in Job Sanctuary, but don't forget to put your closing braces here. Otherwise, your entire thesis will be in Job Sanctuary. So you see, okay, go to the acknowledgements. Yeah, see, the acknowledgements is in now Job Sanctuary. Suppose you want to color, you can use color package like X color. What I will do is my book, okay. Here I use a package called use package X color. Now suppose this acknowledgement I want in some red color. I will put simply color red, okay. See, color has turned to color red. And you can do many things like suppose you want to put some comments in your book so that you are writing the thesis, you are not aware how to you want to check later on. So we will simply define our command, like I am defining a command, see new command, okay. The command name I am giving my check, then this is the definition, and in between in square brackets we will write the number of arguments. I am using only one argument, so I will put like this, and then completely write it here. I am writing it in the margin pair, okay, margin pair. I'm writing using a tiny size. Now ragged right, okay. Then whatever matter we want to typeset, the number one argument will come here, and I am putting simply a small pair here, okay. So this properly checked. Now suppose I want to write in this materials. I am writing my thesis, okay. Here I have some doubt. So I simply put my check the reference. Yeah, check with original. Now when I compile this, you see materials, it is came here, check with original. So we have created like this. Suppose one day your thesis is not correct, it is not completed, and your guide called you to give a printout of your thesis to check it. But you don't want to give all these things so that your guide won't think that you have not completed the job properly. So now we renew the command, okay, and my check. Simply leave these brackets empty. So whatever we have put in this my check, it will be gobbled up. Okay. Now go to the page. See, everything is taken out. Now you can simply print it and give it to your supervisor to check the thing. Like this, you can do also other things. You don't want to write all these things several times. So there is I am creating another new command. Okay. I am saying it check ref. Okay. And it is also having one argument only. Now I am putting the entire thing text VF. So whatever we are typing here, it will come in the bold face. The next thing we want to put is margin pair, and in margin pair again in tiny size and ragged right, we are writing something like this. So you have to put one extra thing and then one extra thing and one extra one. So everything is now correct. Now if in I'm just put it here, I use only three materials. Okay, it use only so that we don't want all this check coming up. So directly see the output. So in materials, what is the command we have given here? Just remember it. Okay, check ref. Here I am putting some blah 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 type. Okay, check ref. And now I simply say site, write the like this. Okay, then type further. So what happens when I compile this document? The reference will be in bold and here it will be written check the reference. Suppose your guide asked to submit your manuscript. Then what you will do is simply you renew this command. Putting renew command. Okay. The same check ref. Okay. Argument is one argument like that. Now text BF we are that's all. So now what happens? It will come ordinary and this will be removed. This is such simple. Now our thesis is in single space, but generally theses are typeset in double spaces. They are one and a half space. For that, we use a package called use package set space. Okay. Now, what we have to do is in the materials come here and after the chapter we put here. Okay, one half spacing is sufficient. Now, to type the pattern, so explain it like this. Okay, like this. Type it. Now, compile the document. So, set space is installing. Is installed. We have, yeah. So, I will put it here instead of here. Oh, okay. Yeah, instead of 100 space, you can also say double spacing. Double spacing. Now you do it will be in double spaces like this. Like this, you can create all these things. We have already seen how to create a certificate and all these things. So you create every certificate in a separate page and include it with the commands, and now your thesis will be ready with all these things. Suppose you are going to print your thesis as a book. What we have to simply do is instead of report, you write it here book. Okay, instead of 12 point, if you want to print it in a smaller font size, put 10 point and compile the thing, and your book is ready. See, these are the like this only because I use only this thing like this. Now I remove this, include only one, and the entire thing will come. So I am removing this, include only with a thing. I am putting the table of content. Okay, like this. So now compile the document. Now see your why it is not coming. See chapter 1. This page will be always left blank because book chapter will be always opened on the right hand side page only. That is why it is coming like this. Okay. Now you can use other commands like if I say front matter, okay, and I can say it here main matter and back matter also you can use. Now you compile it. Page numbers will change. See, page numbers will change here because front matter generally page numbers will be in Roman. and this is only one page. See, page number came in proper. Title page. Okay, next. Like this, you can create your book very beautifully using the report class or book class. And if you want to typeset your thesis, there is a class called thesis available. Only some additionals are there. I will introduce you in the next lecture how to create some graphs and all these things. So, if you are interested to see, you can see this Nicola L.C. Talbot's book, Digma Books, LaTeX for Complete Novices, using LaTeX to write a PhD thesis, or there is a paper called Writing a Thesis with LaTeX published in the Practech Journal. You check this, you will definitely get. After reading all these things, you can be more confident how to write thesis and all these things. And if you have any doubts, kindly write to my email ID. I will be available and I will try to clarify your uh, doubts. The next presentation will be on Beamer to create beautiful slides. Thank you very much.